Good afternoon from a sunny Lanzarote. I'm off to see a room at the Sol Lanzarote in Puerto del Carmen. Well, sort of Matagorda area. Simon got in touch and said, we're stopping at the Sol Lanzarote. There's 9 of us. And do you want to see one of the rooms? Now, I've done a video in the Sol Lanzarote before and I've showed you around that hotel, but I'm yet to see a room. So I jumped in the car, I jumped at the chance and I said, Simon, I'm on my way, but if I do come and see the room, I've got to take you lot with me. So come on, let's go and have a look at a room at the Sol Lanzarote, Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote. Let's go. Right then, here we are. I found where the rooms are. I'll tell you what, it's a big old place, this, massive. And it was room 3314. Let's give it a knock. Well, good afternoon. How are you?
Not too bad, mate.
Welcome to the Sol Lanzarote. I'm looking forward to be showing around. Right then, before we start having a look around this room at the Sol Lanzarote, tell everyone who you are.
I'm Simon.
Where are you from?
Cornwall, but originally from Leicester.
From Cornwall, but you're living in Leicestershire?
No, I used to live in Leicestershire, Colville.
Oh, you used to live in Leicestershire, but now you live in Cornwall?
Yes.
Oh, I bet Cornwall's a lot better than Leicestershire, no?
Yes.
Yes, down by the coast. So hang on, we've got 2 doors here.
Yeah.
What's that one then?
That's
large there you go. I thought that was like the front door. Well, look, should we start there?
Yeah.
Why not? Now we found the hidden door. Lead the way. So what's in here? The bathroom?
You got bath, shower, posh bidet.
Posh bidet. Does anybody use a bidet? I don't know. No, they just have them there, don't they? And then you got toilet.
Yeah.
So you've got like a bath shower. Hey, it's not too bad, is it? It's not too bad at all. And a hairdryer as well, look.
Yeah, you got your hairdryer.
Got your hairdryer.
I ain't got that problem.
Well, neither have I. But you could. Do you not have to air dry the beard?
No, it's
Is it self-drying?
Self-drying. This one is. Been there that long.
There you go. You've got a nice hairdryer for the ladies there. So this is. How many people are you on holiday with?
3 rooms, 9 people.
Jeez, 9 people on holiday.
Yeah,
wow. Is that a holiday or military operation?
Yeah, we've got my brother, his wife, his 2 kids, my daughter, my 2 granddaughters, my wife.
Wow.
And they've all gone to the market.
They're at the Sunday market. You're showing Mr. TravelON around here. So how many people are in this room?
3.
3. So you 2 and your daughter. What's your wife's name?
Anya.
And your daughter?
Holly.
Anya and Holly. So I take it Holly sleeps here.
No, Holly sleeps next door.
Oh right, okay. So who's sleeping here then?
One of my granddaughters, Effie.
Ah, fantastic. So so this is a family room. You've got, I can see beds there. This is a sofa bed, yeah?
Yeah.
So can you fold it back up or not?
No, you're not allowed to fold that back up. We tried yesterday so we could sit down and the cleaner said no.
Really?
You're not allowed to put it up.
There you go. So it's a sofa bed, but it's not really. Well, they may as well have just put a bloody bed there, no?
That's what I'd have thought.
Well, there you go. So here we've got wardrobe space.
Yeah, we've got plenty of storage.
That's not too bad. Plenty of space, yeah. You've got double wardrobe. Have you got a safe in there?
We have got a safe, but it costs extra.
Well, some of the hotels do cost. How much was it?
€28 for the 11 nights.
€28? Yeah. It's quite pricey, that.
It is.
So it's not included?
No.
Well, it's good that people know that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because, you know, when they're coming away here.
So somewhere safe to lock your passport.
Well, yeah, it is vital. It's worth the 28 just in case. And then behind you, I see there's a dial there. So we've got fully air conditioned in here.
It's not on at the minute.
No?
No,
It's quite cool though, isn't it?
It is cool. But, yeah, you can turn it on. There's a fan at the side of the bed in there.
Yeah.
You can alter the speed of it.
Oh, perfect. So you've got air conditioning. So that's one good thing. And then, in here as well, you've got some other bits and bobs. What we got over here?
So you've got, fridge with a little freezer in it.
Yeah.
So you can soy fruit.
Nice.
Little freezer at the top. Storage again.
Oh, a little bit more storage for your socks and pants.
I think it's for your food and all that. Good microwave.
Okay, so you've got a little microwave. So what board bases are you on here?
This is a full all-inclusive.
So you're all-inclusive, but they've got, I suppose, microwaves. I suppose if you've got babies, you can heat milk up and stuff. And I suppose...
Well, you can bring your food up to your room when you eat it.
Yeah, I suppose so. And tin coffee making facilities as well.
Yeah, but they don't supply you tin coffee.
Ah, okay. So they've got a kettle, but you don't get any tea or coffee with it. Okay, all right.
You can bring it up from downstairs.
Oh, so you can go and grab some. Yeah, you can go and grab it.
They don't replan any of that.
Oh, okay. So you got fridge, you got everything there. It's not too bad. And then through here, is the main room. Now, before I go there, what's that on the wall? I've never seen that before. Is that the internet?
Yes, router.
Ooh. So you got Wi-Fi here?
Yeah, you got Wi-Fi and it's good speed.
That looks like good speed because it's got its own. I've done a lot of the hotels. I've never seen an actual router. Usually, what they have is like a central hub, and then it's like really crap internet.
Each room's got one.
Right. Okay.
So you get good Wi-Fi.
So you've got good Wi-Fi. That would be a bonus for me.
It is a bonus.
And then in here, you've got you've got your room. I quite like it actually.
It's spacious. I've got to admit.
It's
Rooms
modern.
are nice.
I do like it, even though it's like just literally a grey wall. It feels quite clean and sort of modern.
That switch will do your.
Oh, is that for your fan and your aircon and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. See, how are we for plug sockets? You've got
one each side of the bed.
One each side. Okay.
Two that side.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Not too bad.
That's not too bad. So you wouldn't need, well, bring an extension anyway, I always say. Phone there, just in case you need to ring reception. I don't know why they put phones in. Nobody ever rings reception. It's only a...
Well, you have to ring reception to get the code for the safe.
Oh, for your safe.
They don't get you over reception. You have to ring up for it.
You have to ring up for it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a new one. So you have to ring them to get the code?
Yeah, you have to come to your room, sort yourself out, ring reception, they'll give you the code over the phone.
Maybe so they know that it's actually your room. Well, security-wise, you're not going to get away with much,
quite easy to change it. They'll give you a genetic code, then you change it to something you want.
Wow, okay, cool. Well, there you go.
So you've got more storage.
And then here, you've got a little bit more storage, and you've got TV as well. Any decent channels on?
No English channels.
No, there's no English. Well, that is criminal in itself.
No English channels.
Oh my gosh! So what we got? Just
You've got French, Spanish, German.
Oh my! Oh no! Well, there you go.
But no English ones.
But can you plug anything in here? Little tip for you. Look, there's a USB at the back.
Yeah.
You can probably whack
one of your fire sticks in.
One of your fire sticks or something in there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
But it's not a bad little room. And do you know what? I mean, even though it's your granddaughter next door, if
you've
you
got
want
privacy
to, you
doors.
can close the door. So it's quite private, isn't it? So you can
It
sort
makes
of,
it private.
It does indeed. And then I can see the sun beaming through these doors, like literally. And the terrace out there. Now I can hear music going on out there. This is quite a busy hotel, isn't it?
It is. They've got, I think they're doing aerobics.
They're doing aqua aerobics. Well, look, let's go out and have a little look out there.
Yeah, dancing today. They're dancing today.
Have you not been dancing, though? Come on, let's get out there.
Not at my age.
Let's have a look, Simon. Let's get out because the views are incredible. Now, we might have to talk a bit loud just in case the music comes on. But wow, look at this.
The views are stunning.
The views are absolutely amazing, look. And you've got, they're doing aqua aerobics down there. Or not aqua aerobics, they're doing like dancing, aren't they? Yeah. So you've got all your entertainment down there. It's really, but a massive place, isn't it?
It is.
It is a massive place. Now, question on sunbeds down here, because every time I pass this place, the towels are red and I see a lot of sunbeds being reserved. How are we on the sunbed reserving?
If you want to reserve one, 6 o'clock they're down here.
They're not.
6 o'clock.
Really?
I'm up at 5 and I'll sit here and have a cup of tea.
Yeah.
And they're out here. And it's pitch black at 6 o'clock.
And they're out there
and they're out pegging
sunbeds.
towels out.
Bloody hell.
But there's plenty of sunbeds.
There is a lot. I mean, look. I mean, it's what? It's afternoon now, so it is sort of peak time, and there is a few there. But I would say in summertime, it's probably chock-a-block, isn't it?
But pitch black in the morning and it's 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no need to go out and put your sun towel on.
It is gorgeous. I do like.
It's nice.
I mean, you've got the sun coming up. You've got the sea views over there, and we're right by the airport, aren't we?
Yeah.
So you can actually see the.
You can see the planes coming in.
The planes coming in and stuff. But I'll tell you what, you get no peace during the day with that. But then again, what do you need peace for in there? Right, Simon, because we can't really sit on that terrace, let's go for a little walk around this way, where there's no music.
No, there's no noise.
So these are the main corridors.
Yeah.
And your rooms, are they all pretty much interconnected, or?
My daughter's next door.
Yeah.
My brother's around the other corner.
Oh, so they put you quite close.
All on the same level.
Let's go this way because I know down this way you have got peaceful parts of the hotel, haven't you? So I've done a full video on here and had a good old walk around and shown sort of the grounds, look. And down here, look, is where the peaceful area is, look. So you've got lovely garden areas here. And people can sort of chill out there, away from the
noise.
entertainment.
Yeah.
But you said they do water aerobics, yeah, as well as the dancing.
Water aerobics, exercise with their bicycles.
Yeah.
Football, tennis.
But they do that in the
volleyball.
kids' pool,
In the kids' pool.
and the kids have to
And
get
the kids
out.
have to get out. So I don't think it's fair.
I wonder if that's because it's sort of, we're in May and there's not many kids here. I wonder if it's the same in the summer. Is there a lot of kids here?
Yeah, there's a lot of kids.
So what do they do? Say to the kids, get out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Using the pool, blah, blah.
So what-
everybody moves.
But is there another pool for the kids to use?
There's 2 big pools, but if you're a small infant, one's
Yeah.
1.5 metres, the other one's 2.5 metres.
Oh, right, okay. Right.
And stone cold.
Oh, right. Well, it's worth knowing that. But I tell you what, look at the views down here as well. It is beautiful.
And we get
the
visitors,
views.
the little cats.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of cats in
My missus
Lanzarote.
loves them.
Wow, look at this. Well, let's look. Let's get to the end of here because this, I mean, view-wise, well, it's beautiful down here, isn't it?
Can't fault the views.
No. Look at that. So where are you plonking yourself during the day? Are you more around the pool or you come to this grassy area
Oh,
down
no,
here?
we're around the pool because the grandkids like to get
Yeah.
swimming in, playing
Yeah.
the games. So we situate somewhere around the pool so we can watch them.
Wow, it's lovely. I love it. I mean, and even if you've got hotel rooms there, I wonder if all the rooms are sea views.
No, you've got the ones at the back here and the ones at the front.
So they're not sea views.
No.
Did you book a sea view?
Yeah.
Sea view? So you actually specifically asked for one?
I asked for a family sea view, so we've all got sea views.
Wow. Okay. So you've been to Lanzarote before, no?
Yeah.
How many times?
I've been twice before.
Oh, and where did you stop last time?
THB Flora, both times.
That's all the way in the old town up
Yeah.
the hill. And what do you reckon then? Do you rate THB Flora better than here?
I do.
Yeah?
I've got to admit, hands down, I prefer THB Flora, but we couldn't stop there this year because they're having the kitchen refitted.
Oh, right. And was it all inclusive?
All inclusive, yeah.
So food-wise, restaurant-wise, everything was
Yeah.
better over at the
A lot
Flora?
better.
So what's the food like here? Is it all right?
Repetitive.
Yeah? Is it it's sort of typical buffet?
Buffet style. Some on it's lukewarm, some on it's cold. First day
really?
we got here, breakfast was cold. But it is what it is, because buffet, it will get cold.
Yeah.
So it's open area. There's a lot to choose from,
Yeah.
but not a lot for kids.
Not a lot
Like
for the
chicken
kids.
nuggets and everything.
Yeah.
like what
I know
little
what you
kids
know.
eat.
Yellow food, I call it.
Yeah.
That's all Alfie eats.
So, yeah, we're having 2 grandkids. 4 kids here,
Bloody hell.
below the age of 12. So
Wow.
don't you know what they're going to eat?
Yeah.
Pizza, chicken nuggets. And
Exactly.
it's, yeah. It's,
But you're all inclusive. You're all inclusive here.
yeah, it's all, everybody's all inclusive.
Yeah.
So.
Does the bar open all night, or is it closed at a certain time?
Close at, I think, 11 o'clock.
11. Oh, so the all-inclusive drinks stop at
No,
11.
That's it.
Oh, everything stops
Yeah,
at 11.
entertainment stopped about 10:30 of the night.
Oh, okay. And what about the Flora? Is that all-inclusive?
All the way through. We were drinking there till at least 12:30.
Oh, okay. Okay, right. So we're rating the Flora over the Sol Lanzarote.
I love Flora,
because
I've
this
got
is
to
a
admit.
4-star.
Yeah, this.
But you reckon it's more sort of maybe 3-star plus?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I mean, view-wise and room-wise,
View-wise, I think
I
that's
really
what-
did like the room and the views as well. I think you sort of pay, you do pay for that and the location as well, because you're quite central sort of Matagorda area,
Yeah.
aren't you?
I've got to be. Everything's flat. There's no
Yeah.
hills.
Yeah.
You're within walking distance of the bus route, so you
Yeah.
catch a bus within 5 minutes.
Oh, brilliant. And
Taxi ranks straight outside.
you've been out and about quite a bit, you said.
Yeah.
So come on, what excursions you done? Through Mr. TravelON, of
right.
course.
We've done the 2-seater buggy, me and my daughter.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Did you
day,
enjoy that
I've
one?
got to admit.
Was that the one at the horse riding place or the one at Serenity?
The one
Where
at-
did you get picked up here?
No, we got picked up on the bus route.
Okay, and did you go up sort of
Went to the safari place.
by the safari
Yeah.
place? Yeah, so I know that one.
Brilliant.
Yeah, did you
I've
enjoy
got
that?
to- Excellent.
Fantastic,
So all you do, take your driving licence, look
Yeah.
at it, fill a bit of paperwork out, and
Yeah.
off you go.
brilliant. And you're doing the 4-seater buggies next?
And we're doing the 4-seater buggies on Tuesday.
Wow, are you doing on-road or off-road?
It's the off-road one.
Yeah, and a bit of
It's-
off-road.
It's a bit of
the
bit
mixed
of both,
one.
yeah.
Brilliant.
So me and my brother's doing that.
Oh,
He's like-
fantastic.
And the girls are going to see, what is it?
Rancho Texas? No?
No, it's-
Aqua Park?
Water Park.
Aqua Park, yeah.
They've all booked that for you.
Ah, there you go.
So we've done the dolphin tour for you again.
Oh, I love
I've
it.
got to admit, it was nice.
Yeah.
Didn't get the sunset because
You
it was
didn't
a
get
bit
the
crowded.
sunset. Yeah, that's it. Which one did you do? The catamaran or the yellow boat?
Catamaran.
Catamaran.
Yeah.
Yeah. Catamaran's a bit. So you've got two. You've got the speedboat and you've got the catamaran.
Yeah.
Catamaran's one is more chilled for
Yeah.
sure. But yeah, I went on that and the sunset was a bit crap because of
Yeah.
the clouds are out. But
Free
did you
drink?
see dolphins?
Yeah, well, plenty of dolphins.
You saw dolphins?
Yes. It made my missus cry.
Really?
Yeah, first time she's seen a dolphin.
Wow.
So he's
Now, you see, I always say you can't guarantee to see dolphins, but you saw them.
There was hundreds.
Really?
Hundreds.
There you go.
So
Look.
you've got videos and everything on it.
Wow, and that was the catamaran
Yeah.
one. There you go. Right, so it's just so people know what you know what's worth doing. And you've been out and about, sort of around.
Yeah, we've been down to Puerto del Carmen, walking
Yeah.
down the street.
Yeah.
Went to, is it Ola Caf?
Cafeola, yeah.
Went there yesterday,
Oh.
dancing around.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
there you go.
Got to admit, good night.
So you like a bit of a boogie?
Yeah, I've got to have.
You should be down there dancing with the aqua
Yeah,
aerobics.
my back don't like that. But, yeah.
I love it because they've got. I've just seen these guys look just walking down here. They've got kids reps here and kids club.
Yeah, kids club.
Are your kids in the kids club?
We've joined the kids club. There's a little park down here.
Yeah,
They'll
it's
take
just
them
down there, isn't it? So there's a little part just at the end there. And what is it like a kids club where they like take the kids off and entertain them for the day? Are yours been taking part in that?
They did it. What day are we on? Sunday. So they did it Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah.
Did they enjoy it?
So they enjoyed it. Played about. Went drawing things.
Get to make your hair for a bit, doesn't it? Not that we've got hair, but
Gives them their own age group, doesn't it?
yeah. Wow. No, it is. I mean, location-wise, just so people know, look, literally just out that back door by the pool, and you're right on the strip, and all the way up there, you can walk. Literally, you could walk to Porto Calero if you want. You can walk to Playa Blanca if you wanted, all along that strip.
Yeah.
And it is. I mean, it's a nice place, isn't it?
It's a lovely walk. I've got to admit.
Yeah.
You can walk all the way up, takes you up to the first roundabout. And
Yeah.
You can walk all the way through.
Wow.
So
Fantastic.
we do. I don't do a lot of walking because I've got bad hips, but
Yeah.
where it's flat, I'm all right. So we do a bit. So we love walking around, seeing different things.
Brilliant. Well, let's head back to your room then, and let's have another. Well, I was going to say let's go and sit on the terrace, but they're still playing that music, so it's definitely not a chill out hotel, is it? It's quite busy.
It's active all the time.
It is, and I think it's because it's a family hotel. That's it. But if they do cater for the kids with entertainment and stuff like that, I suppose it's one of them places. If you want to relax, you've got the grassy area.
Yeah.
But I mean, this is
out the way.
It is a sort of entertainment sort of type holiday feel, isn't it?
Oh yeah, they try and get you up and do things.
Yeah.
Like I said, solar, aqua aerobics, bicycles, cycling in the pool.
Yeah.
And they get the volleyball out and everything else. So
Lovely. Well, let's see if are they still dancing down there. Let's go and have a little look out here. Yeah, look, you can see them through the window. Look, they're having a good old boogie down there. But what views! Absolutely fantastic. Well, listen, I've got a little present for you. I bought you two as well, one for the missus as well. So wait there, and I'll go and get it for you. Right then, it's been a little bit of a different video today because usually we sit on the terrace and have a good old natter about stuff, but Simon's been fantastic showing us around, and because of the dancing and the entertainment, so this sort of 4-star hotel, we're reckoning it's sort of 3-star and a little bit.
Yeah, top end 3-star.
But it's certainly one of them places where you're going to be entertained, so it's like an all-inclusive sort of hotel food. Room-wise, real modern.
You can't fault it.
Absolutely love it. And because you've shown me around, I have got the Mrs. one as well, so don't you worry about that. I bought 2. You get your Mr. TravelON mug. So officially, he is part of the mug club. And I've got some stickers somewhere as well. I'll give you a bloody sticker.
Thank you very much.
In fact, I think the stickers are in the car. Show everybody back home what you get. If you do show me around your accommodation, all you need to do is get in touch. And if I've got time and I'm here, I'll come down. You can show me your room. And you can get my ugly mug on your mug and be part of the mug club. But no, honestly, Simon, I do appreciate it because lots of people ask me about this hotel, and I have done a tour and sort of shown people around, but we've never seen a room. So this is the first room we've seen at the Sol Lanzarote. So I hope you enjoyed it. Big thanks to Simon.
You're welcome.
And from me, Mr. TravelON, it's goodbye. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. And from Simon,
see you later.
See you soon.